Hello,
Hello,
give me your introduction.
my name is Budisar Panjar. I'm from Nolparachi, Nepal. I'm 28 years old.
Okay. What's your height and weight?
I height 5.5 feet, 52 kg,
Okay, wait. And what's your education level?
plus 2 clear pass.
Okay. Can you work long hours or overtime?
Yes,
Why do you want to go Moldova?
my family support in bright future.
Okay. Are you physically fit?
Yes,
Have you ever worked in warehouse or factory?
worker factory 3 years Nepal.
Okay. Are you physically fit?
Yes,
And do you want to work overseas?
yes,
How many years do you want to work in Moldova?
5 years.
Okay, let's do a colorblind test.
7, 13, 16, 8, 12, 9,
Okay, what's this?
20 by 70, 20 by 60, 20 by 40,
Okay, what alphabet is this?
R, I, S, O, N, N, T, A, I,
Okay, what is this?
70 feet by 21.3 meter,
And this?
50 feet by 15.2 meter,
Which number is this?
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.